abakomwa n'umubangizi Herbert Parish Chief wa Kisibo ahemsibwe Lois orukwebembera ka Rubanda PDM Sacco abandi ni Kakuru Maxon Byamukama Daniel Rugambwa John Bosco Akanjuka Samuel Nwagaba Derek na Mchunguzi Fred.
Wakazi n'abarebaga sente ubagaba shuma. What is Parish Chief?
Daniel, this is the Parish Chief.
What is he?
I'm here, sir.
Where is the SIM cards?
This is for Chisibu. This one in
where are the SIM cards?
SIM cards are still
Why did you get them from people?
We are entering them in the system.
Who told you to get SIM cards from people?
We are good with them to enter them.
Who instructed you to get SIM cards from people? That man should be heavily charged.
No, this one really. How can you go?
Besides stealing money, should also be charged of getting it.
Sente z'urukwingana miliyoni 50 nizigambwa ko banizo ziburuza misho omuhuru yo kuzigabira abatura.
In some sub counties, people are on the system confirming that they received the money. They are even in the reports submitted to the district commercial officer that these people received the money. But in actual sense, when we tried to approach these people, never received even a single coin. So now we are wondering, where did the money go? What was the intention?
In Kisibo, there's no network.
Where you have a network, why didn't you invite them?
They cannot come because they
how if you went and picked their SIM cards, how can they refuse to come?
Maybe.
Have you ever invited the one and refused to come?
Ogutumurundi gwo kubanza abebembezi mu district ya Kabare kukwata bo kwibe sente za Parish Development Model gasha kwa Job na Manyapudi mu Kabare.